Okay, we're here at the almost flooded blue whale of Catoosa. So let's go take a look. Okay, so because of the super heavy rain and flash flood warnings and whatever in Tulsa, and there's I think maybe only a watch, maybe it's a warning in Catoosa as well. The whale is slightly flooded, very close to fully flooding. Starting to flood there, and it's getting pretty close there, but there's not too much water, so it's fine. Not gonna go in because it's flooded, partially, but we can kind of admire it from here. Yeah, so this is a curb. It's probably maybe 5 inches underwater. So it's a little high today. Water's a little high, but honestly I probably could go in there and I'm sure it would be okay.